Do you constantly find yourself confused about market direction, entering trades with uncertainty, or missing high quality trade setups? Are you tired of guessing whether to place a call or a put trade? If that is the case, you don't have to worry, because in this video I'm going to cover that all up. I'm going to teach you how to place key levels, how to find high probability trade setups, and how to identify market direction with confidence. In any chart, the first thing to do is structure mapping by identifying the highs and the lows, and after that identifying key levels. Alright traders, we are here in the currency pair USD PKR, and here I have marked three levels with yellow line. The first one is high, the second one is low, and the middle line is break of structure, that is BOS, which I have explained in my previous video. If you see the red candle, it has broken down the last low, and this is a valid break because the red candle has given us a clear break below our last low. Now market is going up, and that is just a retracement. Why? Because the high is still secured. What I mean by that, this is the high, correct? The high is still untouched and it is secured. If in case market comes up and break the high, the market direction will be changed. Okay, but for now market major trend is still downtrend because the high is still secured. If in case market breaks out with a solid green candle, okay, and the breakout is valid, then we will consider the market direction has changed from downtrend to uptrend, and we will only look for call entry. But for now market major trend is downtrend, but what the current market is doing, the minor trend is uptrend. Okay, the anything the market does between these two levels, the highs and the lows, these all are internal structure, that is our minor trend. Now I want you to pay a close attention, because here you will be clear about major and minor trend. We have marked the highs and the lows. Now the major trend is downtrend, but the minor trend, what the minor trend? The minor trend is uptrend. Minor trend means internal structure between the highs and the lows. Until and unless our high and low is secured, whatever market does in between, that is our minor trend. Okay, so here market minor trend is uptrend, and if I place a trend line like so, you can clearly see that market minor trend is going up, that is market is making higher high, and this is the correct way to place your support, because now I have covered all the touches. What I mean by that, you can adjust your SNR. There are multiple reversal points, and I have covered all the reversal point just like this. We have got total of 7 touch points, and this is a very strong support area. All right, so this is how you will place your levels correctly. Now since the market minor trend is a strong bullish, and the secure, our highs is secure, and also in the internal structure market has given us a break, what we can do, we can take counter call entry, because the levels, the high market is trying to approach our high, correct, and also there is no supply zone whatsoever. We don't have any fair value gap or supply zone. Market has already reversed once, and you can see the current candles are very strong bullish candle. Now we have got two situations. If the candle comes down, test our breakout area, we can take a call entry. This is our first case because market major trend is still up. The second condition is, if I get a strong solid bullish candle, I will take one call entry as my counter trade, because market sentiment is very strong. Second case is we don't have any supply zone. To the left, we don't have any order block, we don't have any fair value gap. The only fair value gap we had was in this particular area, and market reversed exactly from that level. You will be amazed how market has respected this level as a major supply zone. Market tapped onto our fair value gap and exactly reversed from the same area. Okay, so now as you can see, market is now trying to approach our high. That is, it is trying to break above the high and probably change the major direction of the market. Now I'm going with a call entry directly at the opening of the candle. I have got three solid reasons for that. The first reason, the last small red candle, it was very small, and the green candle gave us a continuation signal breaking above the last red candle high. Second confirmation, market minor trend was still bullish. In fact, it was very bullish, and now I was clear that the market is trying to test our high. And the third confirmation, the fair value gap was already mitigated, that is already used, and we didn't had any more supply zone to our left. Because of these three confirmation, I've taken a call entry directly at the opening of this candle. One thing to understand here is that the overall market trend is still bearish. The major trend remains a downtrend until the previous high is broken out. However, this trade was taken based on minor trend. The internal market structure was extremely bullish, showing strong buying momentum. By combining multiple confirmation from price action and market structure, I found this high probability setup and decided to place a call entry, and that was a winning trade. As you can see, the analysis played out perfectly. You can clearly see here the market internal structure is bullish. The minor trend was also bullish, which is why I've taken a counter trade, and that was a winning trade. Now the market is approaching our high, trying to break above the high. If the high is broken out, we will consider that a chalk, that is change of character, and market trend is changed from bullish, from bearish to bullish. Okay, here on the left hand side there was no fair value gap and no supply zone. The only supply zone we had was one fair value gap, which was already used, and that was no longer valid, which is why market did not respected any of the levels on the left. That's why there is a strong bullish pressure going on. Market printed multiple green candles and eventually now testing our high. If in case the next candle breaks above the high, market direction will be changed and market will go from bearish to bullish. I hope this video has cleared all your doubts. Make sure to comment me down below if you want part 2 of this video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Until then, keep learning, and as always, happy trading, guys.